Boy, this brings back memories being inside this house right here.
You guys, it's kind of fun. I feel like every vlog we've been starting out with a new Christmas, oh my goodness, background. Finn just jumped up on the table to literally be held and be in the video with us.
Every single time without fail, doesn't matter where we are, if we start talking to the camera, he instantly wants in.
So we wouldn't have it any other way. We just love our little teddy bear. You guys, his fur is so long right now.
Seriously.
As soon as we get home, he's in desperate need of a little trim and a haircut. But if you missed yesterday's video, we are officially staying in Utah.
Yeah! And we could not be more stoked and excited about it all.
Oh my gosh, you guys, yes. Go back and watch yesterday's video if you missed it. But we are here at my sister Tiffany's beautiful home.
Yep.
Can we just say, every home we go to is like a winter wonderland.
I know.
You guys, I'm bummed I didn't get to decorate for Christmas this year, obviously. It still doesn't feel like the same in Florida as in Utah.
Yeah,
but it's been so fun seeing everyone's decorations, everyone's homes that are so sweet to welcome us. Let us stay here. So I know, speaking of this, look at my sister Tiffany, you guys. I'm gonna put her Instagram handle right here. She is the most creative, amazing.
She really is.
Photographer, designer. She does so much stuff.
She's got great style too.
Just tell by her house. I mean, look at this. This is like a cute little cart. She's like decked it out with garland. The darling bells down the side. Like, every little detail is so cute. I love her tree. This is so unique. So I feel like the big thing this year is bows. If you remember, Maddie has those darling red satin bows on her tree. Tiffany has these cute lace bows and these brown satin bows. And it's just
it's
so
cute.
I
love it.
She ties it in. I don't know about you guys. I just love seeing everyone's Christmas decorations. That's why I'm showing it. And then look at her darling little bows on her stockings, just the garland, how she does this little rope woven through it. And then I do have to say, guys, this is kind of cool. My sister has quite a few pieces that are so special to our family from my grandma. So my mom's mom had so much really cool furniture, and Tiff uses it all throughout her house. So check out this table right here, you guys. This is like memory lane for me growing up. This is in my grandma's living room, and you can probably tell like the style of it. I don't know what era this is from. Comment down below if you do. Probably like the probably like the 60s. Maybe?
It looks good though.
I know, but it's like back in style today.
Yeah.
She has a darling chair in her room, just like little trinkets. She has this cute little beauty stool that my grandma used to get ready down in our bathroom that we get to see every day. Anyways, it's just like all those little precious trinkets that I'm reminded of my family when I'm here. I just love it.
Speaking of family, by the way, we're actually on our way right now. We're about to pack everything up into the car. We're staying somewhere else tonight. And we are going to meet up with my family, and we're doing some really fun stuff tonight.
Oh my gosh, Jade, you guys, we are so excited. As we mentioned in yesterday's video, we're gonna be bouncing around a lot this week. We're living out of suitcases, you guys. We're just embracing it all, trying to soak in all the last Christmas moments, Christmas memories.
Oh, we're so excited. I mean, we weren't expecting any of this, and so we were just like pulling it all together. We could not be more excited about it.
I know, you guys, and our families have been so incredibly sweet. We're just excited. Let us know, what are you doing? It's the week before Christmas.
Yes.
It's less than a week.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you excited? Also, before we leave, I need to show you downstairs the little bunny and Finn. This is Hashi. Do you smell a carrot? And him and Finn are like the cutest little friends. They've been running around all night this morning. Finn is so good with Finn. Is this Hashi? Oh, you want the carrot because Hashi wants the carrot? Look at this.
Oh my gosh. He's laying down because he...
You want the carrot? Look, I'll break off a little bit for Finny. Okay, you want the carrot? Yes, you gotta see the bunny eat. Okay, I'll try and position it. Get it, Hashi. Oh, I don't want to get my finger.
Good job, Hashi.
So, oh my gosh, the sweetest little thing ever. Finny, look, what is it? Do you want a carrot? Sometimes Finn, oh, yep. I don't think you'll eat it, but you can try it. Oh, he's eating it. It's so funny. He wants to do whatever the bunny does. Like, if I'm paying attention to the bunny, Finn's right there. Like, they also give it, like, oats and stuff for treats. And Finn tries to eat the oats. It is so stinking funny. So it's been so fun seeing them run around. So see this little play thing right here for him? There's like holes, and Finn will go in one way and it will go in the other way. He's not gonna eat this carrot. That's cute though. You can act like a little bunny. Should we give it to Hashi?
Yeah.
We'll give it to Hashi. There you go, buddy.
Good job, puppers. Oh yeah.
The bunny too.
Good job.
It's so cute. And when the bunny gets super excited, I don't know what it's called, but they like hop in the air.
Yeah, like the zoomies almost, yeah.
And then they just like zoom. Hi, I don't have any more. Do you want this one? You guys, so this is Bella, my niece's bunny, and you have to see, we've shown this a few times in our video, but if you've never seen it, look at the little bunny's room. They have
No, it's so cute.
So cute. Again, I think my sister obviously helped a lot with this. But just like the sweetest thing, everything is like Peter Rabbit, bunnies, gold decor. Like, it's just the cutest thing ever. So we have been having fun. Kind of unique to see a thing with the little bunny. Huh, yeah. Are you just having the time of your life? So that's been fun. And he's gonna get to see his little cousin tonight.
Ooh, he's so excited. Yeah.
So we're super excited for that. Oh, brings back memories, you guys. Who's been around since we lived in this neighborhood? It's been a while.
It has been a while.
We used to take Finn on walks all the time down to this little lookout. We'll show you. Look at the beautiful mountains right here. So we lived in my sister's basement right before we moved to Florida. So check out this view. You can see like all of the valley out through here. We used to bring Finn right here. Do you remember like sitting here multiple times? We would just like sit and watch the sunsets.
Oh, all the time.
We used to always see deer right here. Do you remember that with little Finn? When he... And I feel like Finn remembers that house. Like he knew exactly where to run to, like the doors and everything. I feel like he still remembers that. But we were living there while we were looking for a home. This is before we bought our house that's here in Utah too. And then COVID hit. So we were only planning on living there for like a summer, like a few months. And then
not even that. It was like 2 months.
Yeah, just short until we could find something, and then COVID hit. So we ended up staying there for longer. But anyways, memory lane's right there. It's so crazy. Such a beautiful area of Utah though. We made it!
We're here, you guys, and we could not be more excited. So we actually came to Michelle and Daniel's house, and we're here to go see the Christmas lights in Daniel's truck.
Oh my gosh.
And my mom's coming too. We're taking the pups. We got a big old love sack in the back there.
I didn't know they were doing that. That's so fun.
Yeah, I apparently put that in there. So we are stoked to do this, guys. It's gonna be so much fun, and it feels good to be out of that car too. There's a ton of Christmas traffic going on right now.
You guys, I know. So a lot of you guys have been asking, why are we bouncing from house to house? Because our families don't live that close to each other.
No.
So everything's at least a 30-minute drive. If not, this was an hour and a half drive. So that is why, in case you're wondering. Finn and the puppy.
Yeah, I know. He's ready. Come on, dude. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Go get him. Hi, dude. I just want to see this real quick. This is my mom in all of her glory.
Look what it does. Okay, so we do this one. Wait, I don't know what am I doing. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Look at mine. Mine's like a ray.
Where's your
Ooh, like a ray.
I don't know what a ray is. Okay, no, we could just do this. More subtle. More subtle.
I will say my mom poked her head around the corner right there, just slowly came in.
There we go. Okay. I think I can do solid.
Yeah, you girls look good.
Wait, where are my Christmas lights?
Who needs the Christmas lights when you got them right here?
No,
Yeah.
Hey, look at Louie.
Oh, Louie. Oh, he does not like it. Where his eyeballs?
No, it's cute.
Oh, Louie, you look so good. He's like, he's like, I don't know what this is.
I need to get more sets. The dogs have to have.
Oh, you look fantastic.
Come on.
You look so good, dude. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the world's best restaurant. It's called Two Jack's Pizza. It is delicious.
Hold,
thanks,
please.
Sissy. And it's pizza with like the best toppings and cheese and like cheese bread.
The best part is their breadsticks.
The breadsticks are good, yeah.
What is it, like the Italian? Your lights aren't on.
So Britt and I actually used to live, we're in Springville right now. Brittany and I actually used to live in Springville. It was like one of our very first spots we moved to. Oh, thank you, sister.
Or do we go with flash
And
or full?
we would come to Two Jack's Pizza. Oh, mama, I don't care. We'd come to Two Jack's Pizza all the time. Wait, what were you saying about getting what, full?
No,
What'd you say earlier?
I just said, are we going to do the full or the flashing of the lights?
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Sorry, you were talking and I...
We'll keep this all raw.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that. Going to Friends. Michelle just said these are my only friends as we walked into this store. Well guys, we're here to come see the lights, and it's actually back this way, but we had to come down this road.
Look at the line of cars.
Every single one of these people want to go see the lights, and they're going pretty darn slow. Oh yeah, there was one. Yeah, I'll just call it good. Oh, wait a second, it's just my reflection.
Okay, let's just turn on our lights.
Oh, yeah,
Look how long this line is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's still going.
I think the chances of us doing this are probably 1%.
What else can we do?
Let's go to St.
Oh, is it still going?
Wow.
This is the end.
This isn't.
Nope. It goes up there. So just got an update. Let me turn the light here. Oh, never mind. Which one's the light?
Festival of Lights.
Ah. Okay, so just got an update on the lights. And they said that the line is an hour long, but he said it was quick.
It says 8 minutes.
Here you go.
So Jared,
8 minutes, huh?
the update on the lights was what? Where to put the light? How to turn on the light? Was it how to turn on the light?
You want to try that again? Yeah, I couldn't figure out how to put on the lights right
We're
there.
moving pretty quick.
Yeah, we are doing pretty quick.
We are going a
I haven't
solid
even touched
mile
my
and a
brake
half.
yet.
Whoa. Oh, you better.
Oh. That was fun.
So should I get in the back now? Is now the time? Should I get in the back?
We
Should I get in the
can.
back? No.
Well, girls, how badly do you want to see these lights?
Hey, we got them right
Rita's
here.
giving us a show already.
Oh boy.
Michelle's got the music. I can't figure out how to turn mine on.
They say to come see the lights. These are the lights they're talking about. Long trail of lights.
I love them. Red's my favorite.
Beautiful Christmas red. That was perfect. Here we go! Woohoo! We just hopped into the car, and here we are, the lights. We didn't really think this through though, because we're not actually not going to see any lights. Look at this. This is cool though. What's up, Britt? Wait, come on out here. Come out here. I want to see Finners. Good boy. Good boy.
You coming out, Britt?
Hold on, look at Brittany trying to get out. She just climbed through the window.
It's because Brittany. It's because
Yeah!
Look at us. Look in the camera. It looks like we're on a date.
Oh my gosh, Jared, zoom in on that.
Excuse me, driver.
Jeeves?
Jeez. So this is it, huh?
You know, I thought there were some more overhead things.
All right, we're about to go through the most iconic part. It is a tunnel of lights, and it's magical.
Wow. So it's
All right.
Is this kind of like the love tunnel?
Ooh, that is cool. And it turned off right there. We go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That was the $10.
That's it.
That's the show, ladies and gentlemen.
$9.50 right there.
$9.50. It's so interesting seeing it with like grass.
That represents like a Utah train.
Yeah, pretty much anything my mom sees over here is Utah related.
There's a water tower.
Whoa.
Utah water tower.
And the ballerinas over there, ice skating.
Ballet West.
Okay, all right.
Oh, except they're ice skating.
That's like, is it Ballet West, like Manhattan big balleters?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to know something kind of cool? My doctor, his wife.
Which doctor?
Danced. Yeah. Yeah, one of the many.
For the vlog. My urologist. Really? Oh no,
No,
endocrinologist.
endocrinologist.
Okay, yes.
Anyway, his wife does whatever that is.
Ice skates.
She's a
figure
ballerina.
Ballerina, yeah.
She's a ballerina.
Yeah.
Honey, those are ice skaters.
Eh,
Well,
still
you
the
thought
same.
the skier was on a roller coaster. Oh, another
Hey, another tunnel! Woohoo! Yeah! Hands up, mama!
Oh,
Woohoo! Yeah, that was 425 right there.
Mom, look. Horses.
You guys, do you remember when we did that up at Heber?
Oh
And they
yeah.
kind of just took us around to a golf course because they didn't know what to do with this because there wasn't a very.
Now, Mom, tell me what that one is. That is Jack in the Box.
What does that represent?
I've seen that at Lagoon.
Yeah, it is so freezing cold.
Well, that pink tree's cool behind you.
Yeah, that is a cool pink tree. That was a quarter to see that.
75.
I'll just watch it in the vlog.
Yeah, I'd recommend that at this point. No way, this is fun. I love this. This is enjoyable.
Oh,
I was telling them it's like it's cool because they have like the smell of the outside and like the cool crisp air flowing, you know.
I want to be in the back of this crazy truck.
So Daniel just handed out some blankets, which was really nice of him. But we're about 75% done.
No, the third person died.
Frostbite.
We're using each other for body warmth at this point. It's got to be like 2 degrees out.
We just picked up this way. It wasn't blowing this way.
Brittany is so stubborn. She refuses to say she's cold.
I wasn't over there, but now it's really here.
Where are these gloves? Get your jacket.
He loves those gloves.
They are awesome. You know what?
Work the camera with them, but
Doesn't go anywhere without them.
hey, why are they shooting like lights, lasers?
That means it's a cool setting.
Oh, they're cooling off now? They were too hot?
Yeah, they're too hot. Hey, Mom, elephants.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Represent.
So rude! Hey, Mom, elephants.
No, he's
No!
No, that was rude.
No, I did not
put on
even.
a little bit of weight. Okay.
Well, luckily he has the deluxe shock package. But...
cool.
Look at that. Name the Rudolphs. Name them.
Okay.
Name them. Don't look.
Dasher.
Donner,
First of all, they're reindeer.
Comet, Cupid.
Hey, Louie, honey, you
Let's
can't
say
go that way.
Louie.
Okay, no. Come on, guys. Stop. Dasher,
This was the coolest.
Vixen. Oh, wait. This is the castle. This one's cool.
Oh, that is. Aw. You guys, we went to Disneyland.
Hey, there you go.
I didn't know they had a Disneyland in
Hey,
Utah.
I know. That's
Check that out.
That's gonna be the. You know how you guys do a tag in the beginning of every video.
Oh, yeah.
We're headed to Disneyland.
Come with us to Disneyland.
I want my money back if that's the case.
Are those dinosaur eggs? That's what those are.
Oh, those are cool. Now on our tour, you're about to see some teddy bears riding a moose.
Oh.
Now you're about to see some geese and a polar bear jumping into a river.
That's cool.
Oh, actually, he's eating fish.
Oh, circle of life.
That's nice. Oh, Brittany, it's a representation of our marriage.
Marriage.